In this lecture, we'll see why we make use of doctype and character encoding in our HTML pages. Now, there are two modes in which a browser renders a given web page. First being the standards mode, and second is the quicks mode. Now, how the browser knows in which mode it has to render a given page? That it decides by making use of the doctype declaration in a given web page. So, a standards mode is something which is driven by the use of proper doctypes page renders using the parsing rule for the HTML specification identified in the document type. Whereas in quicks mode, it's triggered by a lack of doctype declaration used to render older or non-standard HTML. Whenever you're declaring a document type for your HTML web page, ensure that it's the first line of the document. Even if there is one single empty line above it, it might cause the web page to render in quicks mode. So here in this example, you can see the first line is doctype HTML. It's pretty easy and simple, easy to remember. And now let's go to the character encoding that we have defined over here. That's meta_char_set equals UTF-8. Now, character encoding is how your browser takes the binary data, sent to it, and translates that into characters on the screen. So over here in the document, you can see that we have this character set encoding UTF-8, and based on that it will translate any binary data that is received by the browser, and it will display that into relevant text, into relevant characters. So that's how we create document type declaration and character set encoding in our HTML5 web pages.